This year is overflowing with new AI tools. Every week there's something new. Text to video, image animation, voice generators. It's getting kind of overwhelming, right? But what if there was one tool that brings together all the key features in one place? I'm talking about AI video generation. Image to video, text to video, animated photos, a hug generator for some reason, and even a built-in video editor to tie everything together. Yeah, that tool actually exists. It's called Clipfly, and today I'm going to show you what it can really do. Alright, first things first, let's head over to the Clipfly website. This is their homepage, and right here at the top, you'll see a tab called AI Tools. Let's click on that. And as you can see, there are a ton of features here. We've got the AI video generator, face dance, talking avatar, video enhancer, background remover, and so much more. Some of these we'll explore in today's video, but for now, let's dive into the video generation part first. So here we're looking at some of the sample clips generated using the tool, and to be honest, these actually look pretty good. The motion feels smooth, the lighting looks cinematic in some of them, like you wouldn't really expect this from a browser-based AI tool. Some of them are clearly still AI-ish and need polish, but for what it is, pretty solid. Alright, let's try it ourselves. I'm going to test the AI video generator feature now. I'll add the prompt, a robot walking through a neon-lit alley in the rain. Let's hit generate and wait for the magic to happen. Let's try another one. This time something more fun. A cat typing on a laptop. Classic AI content. Not bad. It's cute, readable, and it kinda works. Now let's jump into image-to-video generation. One of my favorite features so far. So here on the left, you'll see a few modes under the video section: text-to-video, image-to-video, and text plus image-to-video. On the right, you can select your aspect ratio, which is great if you're making Reels, YouTube Shorts, or full-screen videos. You can also pick the generation mode: standard for fast results, professional for better quality, and premium if you want super high-res output. Just keep in mind that professional and premium use more credits. I'm going to go with image to video for now. Alright, I'm uploading my image now and adding the prompt. Static shot of man talking with gentle hand movements, looking straight into the camera. Let's see how it performs. Alright, so the image-to-video generation worked, but I gotta say, the hand movement is a bit off. It's kind of glitchy. You know, those weird AI fingers doing their own thing. And one downside is, it only generates 4-second clips, which, honestly, kind of sucks if you're trying to make longer videos. Alright, let's try something else. I'm gonna type a slow-motion video of a flower blooming. Let's see how that turns out. Wow. Okay, that one's beautiful. The detail and lighting here, genuinely impressive. Next up, let's go big. Astronauts explore an alien planet. You already know this one's gonna look cinematic. And, yep, that's cool. The colors, the environment, it looks like a movie shot. Not bad at all for a free tool. Now, here's something that makes Clipfly stand out. You can actually edit your generated videos right here inside the platform. See this little edit button below the video? Let's click that. Boom. Now we're inside the built-in video editor, and this thing is actually pretty loaded with features. You can add audio tracks, drop in text, customize the font, change positioning, and even add text animations. There are also effects, transitions, and everything you'd need for a quick content edit without leaving the site. Once you're happy with the edit, you just click Export, and you're done. So, yeah, the video generation might be short, but the editing options totally make up for it if you know how to get creative with it. Alright, we've checked out the serious stuff. Now let's have some fun with a few of Clipfly AI-powered creative tools. Let's start with something with a hug generator. Yep, it literally generates videos of two characters hugging. I've got these two adorable cat images. And let's be real, in real life they'd probably fight each other before they ever hugged. So let's upload both images and see what happens when AI forces them into a wholesome moment. Oh man, that's actually really cute. Next up, let's try the AI superhero cosplay feature. I'm going to upload the same cat image and see what happens when AI turns it into a superhero. And we've got our little cat man. That's our tiny superhero, looking ready to save the living room from evil slippers. Drop a comment if you're officially part of the Cat Hero fan club. Alright, last one. AI Face Dance. This one lets you animate a face to do some wild, over-the-top dance moves. And yes, they even included chicken sounds. I'll upload a photo, and on the right side, you can choose from a bunch of animation options. I'm going with chicken sounds because, why not? Okay, let's watch this. It's done. Okay, that's actually hilarious. So yeah, Clipfly isn't just for serious AI stuff. There's a whole fun side to it. Try Clipfly for free. I have added the link in the description, use that to get free credits, and I'll see you in the next one.